Hello my billionaire family, welcome back. Today tutorial will be on this net gele, how you can use your net gele to achieve fan and round style. So just look at the process. The ratio for this gele is 50-50 ratio. It's 50-50 ratio. Since you guys have decided you will not watch makeup tutorial, that is why I did not upload makeup tutorial. So let me know at the comment section if you want to see makeup tutorial. This is my client. She come for photo shoot, her birthday photo shoot, so just decided let me film the gele tutorial for you guys, because she says she wants something different from the usual one she used to style. So I just said okay, let me make the video. And Merry Christmas in advance, guys. So just look at the way I'm creating the pleats. The process is so simple, guys. It's just that this net gele, it's hard. I won't lie to you, it's hard. The net gele is hard, guys. So now I'm trying to create fan, and she don't want the fan to be too big, just something that is nice that will fit her. So I'm here creating the fan like so. So I'm so sorry I've not been uploading gele, guys. I've been busy these days, I won't lie to you. I've been busy these days, so that's why. I'm so sorry if you are hearing noise. Then Clara and Joseph, they are playing up and down here. I'm inside room and they're in the parlor, so sorry about that. So now I'm using office pen. So if you are using your office pen, just be careful. Be careful when using your office pen. So in case if you are wondering the powder and foundation that I use, as usual I do use Fina powder and foundation. They are my easy to go products that I know they will not disappoint me anytime, any day. So, and there are some other products too that they are affordable, that if you use it, it will bring out your work. So, but I love Fina products, and I love Avo, Aventure, and Isa, and those are my very good products, affordable product that I know that if you use, your work will also come out. So the other side now, it's our normal round that I want to create, the normal round pleats. Just look at the way I'm sweating. Your baby Joshua is at my back as usual. So even my apprentice have to like assist me. I don't want to disturb her, so I just have to back your baby Joshua at my back. Just look at her makeup, very nude, very nude. So just call me for your makeup. We are so affordable, very affordable, and I have makeup products. If you want to buy makeup products that is affordable also, I have. So that is it. So now I'm adjusting it at the back, still adjusting the pleats, adjusting it, adjust, just adjust it the way you want. She so much loved the look, the gele, everything. She was just so happy. This is her first time in my studio, and I'm happy that she didn't regret coming to my studio. So this is the final look, this is the finished look, guys. So let me know what you think about the gele. Let me know. Let me know what you think. I'm just adjusting it. So that is it. She's just so happy. trying to shift it back a bit. So that is it, guys. So this is the finished look, guys. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think about the tutorial. Please don't forget to follow me on Instagram or Glam Beauty 30. I love you guys. Stay blessed, stay safe, and Merry Christmas.